Hey y'all. All right, so our theme tonight is blue, yellow, and sunflowers. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add our 21-inch mesh. All right, so we're using a 15-inch frame. So let's grab our 21-inch mesh first. Y'all, I just like to throw mine on the ground. And then take your cut piece of 21-inch, fold it over. All right, y'all, and then this part is super important. On the edges, you're gonna fold them in like you would if you were making a burrito. Okay? Then scrunch it up. Y'all, whenever you do that, see how all of our mesh now starts to curl on the inside? That's what we want. The whole way through, we want these to curl in. All right, y'all, we're gonna start on the inner ring. And just add ourselves some 10-inch poofs. See how it's all staying tucked in nice and neat? That's what we want. Y'all, now I grabbed two different blues. All right, so we're gonna cut 10 at 30 inches. 2 pieces at a time, 5 cuts. All right, so those were 30 inches, that's for the bottom. Now we need 20 inches. We're gonna need 8 of these total. Y'all, let's take our 30-inch ruffles and we're gonna add one 30-inch ruffle all the way around the bottom. Y'all, to do that, we're gonna take our 30, we're gonna curl, and then we're gonna ruffle. Right? Y'all, those curls on the end are just to help the fraying. All right, so we're doing 30-inch ruffles. What was the mesh sizes? So we did 10-inch poofs with the 21-inch mesh. Then we did 30-inch cuts for the bottom and 20-inch cuts for the top. All right, so now we're gonna take our 20-inch pieces and we just need enough curl on each end. Enough curl on each end to hide those cut pieces and ruffle. Right? Ruffle. So we've got our blue and yellow on there. Y'all, I wanted something that had sunflowers. I only had one that was already printed. So I just grabbed the one that was on the shelf. All right, we're gonna take our super glue and add a dab to all 4 corners. Y'all, so these are mounting squares. We should have them at decoexchange.com. All right, after we glue them in, we're gonna add some hot glue around it. So we got those glued. So on a Deco mesh wreath, I do not recommend you do this, right? Don't put it in there and fold it in half. That's gonna make the pipe cleaner too short. We're just gonna put about an inch through and you're gonna tie that off. Stacy, you can use mounting squares on any sign as long as the sign isn't too heavy. Y'all, this is a 12-inch sign, so it's a little bit bigger than normal. That's okay. All right, so all we're doing is running that pipe cleaner down through the mesh and wrapping it around the frame. So we're gonna do the bottom first, then move up to the top. All right, so we got that added. Okay, next we need a bow. All right, so we're gonna use our Easy Bow Maker, also at decoexchange.com, and we're gonna ruffle it just a little, give it a good twist. All right, we're gonna measure out about 7 inches. Yeah, I've been doing this for a little while, for sure. Also, I do, the same couple of techniques when I'm live. All right, let's get our center in here. All right, we're gonna grab our pipe cleaner, fold it in half. We're gonna pull our bow up, slide our pipe cleaner around it, get a nice tight squeeze. Give it a good twist. We're gonna add our bow right down here. Y'all, I'm gonna use the blue and this one for my ribbon tails. All right, y'all, we're gonna use our ribbon tail board from Hot Mesh Mom. We're gonna use the 12-inch side to do our tails. We are gonna need 9 sets of each. we're gonna take our 2.5 inch tail, our 1.5 inch tail, we're gonna layer them right on top of each other. Gonna fold them in half. Y'all, we're gonna take these and those same twist ties that we added our mesh to, we're gonna add them right in there. All the way around. Tie it off. Y'all, let's dovetail our bow ribbons. So this is where we are so far. Y'all, now I wanna go in with some actual florals. All right, first things first, we wanna fluff this out. All right, now this stem is a lot, it's extra. So I'm gonna work it underneath my bow. And I'm gonna try to get it all the way down to the frame. And I'm gonna wire it somewhere. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take the same flower bush and go out this way with it. All right. Y'all, I wanna get a little bit of this blue a little bit higher up. All right, y'all, so I'm kind of using this blue to outline the yellow. Let's do the same thing with that blue going out this way. Y'all, it's huge.